There she is, right there. What's going on, guys? I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys the 6th gen conversion ZL1 bumper for the 5th gen Camaros. There isn't really that many videos out there on it, and I did all the work myself pretty much. So I just wanted to kind of take you through it just in case you want to get the bumper or you're installing the bumper yourself, because I did the work myself, except for the paint obviously, but I did do all the work myself and it was kind of a little challenging. So I just want to kind of give an overview so you guys can take a look at it and you guys know what to expect when you're installing this bumper. So let me give you guys a look real quick and then explain everything. So as you can see, here's the car and here's the bumper on it. It's already paint matched to a Synergy green. I do think this is one of the only Synergy green Z01 bumpers I've seen. So it looks pretty freaking awesome in Synergy green. But here's a look at the headlights. So I'm going to explain something real quick right now. Let me give you guys a look from the side. You can tell it's a 5th gen Camaro with a 6th gen Z01 front end there. And something I need to explain real quick is, if you can see, the headlights are actually for a 2014 Camaro and my car is a 2011. So these headlights are supposed to fit on the 2014 Camaro, and this bumper fits the 2010 Camaros as well. But with this bumper you can put on 2014 headlights, because the 2011 6th gen headlights, they don't look like this. They look a little bit uglier in my opinion. They don't look the same. But these actually look exactly like the 6th gen headlights. They look a lot better. So I just went with the 2014 headlights, and I went with the probably like a 2016 Z01 6th gen front bumper. And you can see it's got the grill, and here you can see the grills right there. So those are the grills, and then as you can see, I actually have the stock Z01 little splitter that goes with the bumper, but then I also have MB design front splitter on it as well. I did freaking crack. I did crack the side of it. It's a little cracked right there, but still looks freaking awesome, and makes it look a little more aggressive. I just need to get the rods to kind of attach to it. It'll look a little bit better. But let me give you guys a side view real quick. So here's the side view. You can see it's a 5th gen with the side markers right there. Eventually, I do have a lot of plans for this car. I actually already have the MB design wide body kit for it. So I already have the wide body kit. Just need to get it painted and install it, and then get the new wheels. So the wheels and the tires are the only thing I'm waiting on, pretty much. But soon enough, it'll have this front bumper and MB design wide body kit, and it'll be lowered with some nice wheels. And later down the road, once I save up some money, I actually want to buy a either an SS or a Z01 engine and put it in the car, just to kind of do a full Z01 conversion. And I also want to get the Z01 brakes, or even the SS brakes, just because the brakes that the RS comes with are pretty normal, pretty small. They don't really look that good, and they don't really stop that well. So here's the bumper, and it's pretty easy to install. It's probably took me about a day's worth of work, just because you have to take off the old bumper. You have to take off the fender liner. You have to take off some bolts that are on the side. And as you can see, there's also a crash bar. I did leave the crash bar on. I know there is some 6th gen Z01 conversions that you can't have the crash bar, but this one you can. So I actually do have the crash bar. I just painted it black so that way you can't see it, because it was green like the car. But it looks beautiful, man. It looks so awesome. And eventually I might get the daytime running lights. I just don't have them right now, but I might get them. And then I also want to get the dive planes, the canards that go on the side. So there's still a lot of work that needs to be done to this car. And like I said, engine swap later on down the road. I'm not entirely sure what that will be. I'm not sure if I want to get just an SS engine and maybe supercharge it with a bigger supercharger and build the motor, or just put a Z01 motor in it and call it a day. I'm not really sure, but the future will tell. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you guys a quick look. If you guys do have any questions, you guys could just message me. I do have the Instagram for this car is dragon_Camaro. So you guys can just DM me if you guys have questions, because I have posted pictures of my car and a lot of people ask me questions about the headlights, questions about the bumper, what headlights they should get, if they need a wiring harness, all those things. So if you guys have any questions, you guys could just DM me, I answer everybody. And I'll help you guys out if you guys need help. So if you guys have any questions, you could just DM me or even comment on one of my pictures or anything like that, or even on this video, and I'll try to answer all the questions. And then I might make a different video on the headlights, just because I am having some problems with the turn signals. So I have a feeling a lot of people are gonna have this problem. So I'm gonna try and figure it out, and then maybe I'll make a different video regarding the headlights. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Thanks for watching.